Hello DS106, this is Linda, and yesterday I learned how to make this animated GIF using my own images, and I was so excited. I wanted to put up a quick tutorial to show you how I did it, just in case someone else out there wanted to try it as well. I'm going to start from this point because I chose to automatically align my source images, and that process takes a little while, but I highly recommend doing it. And I'm going to include a link on this post which will take you to Alan's tutorial showing you how to do this, and we'll start from there. Okay, I'm going to select all the layers and group them all into one layer. Let's see, layer, group layers. And so I have all the layers in one group so I can work on all of them at once to crop the edges. Okay, so I'm going to choose the cropping tool, and I'm going to cut out a 6 by 4 inch section here in the middle. I think that'll get rid of all the unevenness pretty well. Okay, and crop. There, now all the edges are even. And while I have all the layers grouped, I'm also going to go into image size, and make that the appropriate size for my blog. So to do that, I'm going to uncheck resample image, go into here and change that to 300 dpi, and resample image again, go up here, change that to 600 pixels across, which is a perfect size for my blogs, but that will depend on what your theme is, but we're just going to go with this for this. Click OK. And now my images are resized. And let's zoom in a little bit so we can see it. And I'll go into layer and ungroup layers to get all my layers back. And now, okay, this is not supposed to be here. Now I'm going to open up my animation window. And you see the frames window, but when I first called it up, I saw the timeline, and when you see that, all you have to do is go down here and click on this icon down here, and you'll see the animation frames window. Okay, and go over here to the right and click on this icon, and you'll see the menu pop up, and choose make frames from layers, and that will bring in each layer into its own frame into the animation window. And I'm going to select all the frames and change the time to 0.1 seconds for each of them, and come down here, click on this little arrow and choose forever to get it to loop. So it's going to be on a continuous loop, and let's try playing it. And my train is moving backwards, so I'm going to go over here and call up the menu again and select reverse frames and play it again, and now I have the train moving in the right direction. Okay, that looks pretty good, so I'm going to now save it onto my desktop by going into File, Save for Web and Devices. And from here, you can try playing it again if you want to check it one last time to make sure that it's the way you want it, and save. And I'm going to choose HTML and images here and save it as train tutorial, just so that I can show you what it'll look like on my blog when I insert it. And save. Okay, it's saved into my folder, so let's go into that. And here's the HTML, and when you insert it into your blog, and that's what it's going to look like. Yay! Thank you for watching.